One of the sentences that we need to focus on today is that Mary kept everything pondering in her heart. My dear sisters and brothers, I think that's something we all do also. But what happens to us is we are not silent so that we can listen to what God is telling us about those things that we are having questions about. We try to use our own head and we try to find the answers. And the evil one can at times work there, dissuading us from God's will. Sometimes we don't know. And that's the reason why you must be able to surrender all that you have thought of in your mind so that it is with the Lord. And that is how you empty yourself so that you are filled with Him. This is what happened to Mary right from her conception. When she was conceived, we have heard how both her parents were aged when they conceived, Zachariah and Anna. And so it was a miracle. It was not human way, but God's intervention in their life. So God had a purpose, as we have seen the first reading. He is always having His plans, and we need to be open so that His plans can be achieved, and then we need to cooperate. So that is what happened to her. She grew up, and she grew up among holy women in Jerusalem, and we have heard all those stories before. But at this time, let us look at something else. Now, when Mary is betrothed, she again is conceiving from the Holy Spirit. Not just a human intervention, but God's plan. And so she was open to God's will by saying, I'm open, be done to me according to your word. And so this is how she always remained immaculate, holy, for God to work through her.